Okay, here we go. Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I'd like to mail. Alright. This was another thing that I wanted. Did I open it or close it? Okay. So this is just a little case, like a little storage drawer thingy mabobber that you could keep little stuff on. And so I figured I would probably put this on my nail desk or either in the office just to hold little supplies. I'm thinking more so in the office to hold little supplies for the desk, like little pens. I think pens will fit well in here, markers, stuff like that that's like kind of in the way right now that I need to get out of the way. So really excited about that one. Here is the black one that is like this pink one. So put that over to the side because they're all going to the same home. Okay. We are getting into the goodies because everything is getting bigger as I go down. Okay, this is a portable and rechargeable battery juice blender. So I loved the concept of this, of being able to, you know, have some fruits on the go, blend it on the go, I don't know, on the go. You know, as a mom, I am on the go a lot more now with Bub, and so this would be perfect for like traveling out of town. You go to the hotels, they have some fruits and stuff, you need to be on the move, you can do your blending there. So yep, love it. And if y'all hear somebody coughing, that's Bub coughing in the background. He is sleeping right now, but he's got a cough like his mom. All right, and this is a mini humidifier, and I probably am going to use this today. I have a big one that I keep, but Bubba actually, he has that one in his room, and so this is going to be perfect for me as well as for travel. I'm always thinking about things that like travel well. When you go to other people's houses, they may not have a humidifier and you may need to sleep with one. In this season, I actually absolutely have to sleep with a humidifier. So this is going to be perfect for me. This is the story of a girl by the river and trying the whole world. Why she looks so sad in photographs. All right. Okay, so y'all know I had to see what these loofahs was talking about. That's a must-have, especially off of Temu, because Target then went up on they loofahs too. They used to be a strong $1, but this one was super cute, so I wanted to get it. Wanted to have it. I wanted to have that thing, so I'm gonna take this and put this over here with our beauty stuff. Looks like we have another outfit. So I have 3 outfits that I will try on and show you guys in some videos. So here is the top. Okay, it actually might fit. I was worried about the tatas. And then here is the skirt. But I am thinking that the skirt might pair up well with a graphic tee, something like this, because the girl I've been following, she's been doing stuff like that. So even if this top doesn't work because of my boobs, I'll alternate, or I can even alternate the 2 outfits, because I can wear this with some shorts or jeans, and I can wear this with something else, or wear them together. So that's definitely a win-win. So we'll definitely be using that one. All right, then we have this set here. It looked more, oh, okay, in the camera you can see it says just do it From the side, it looks really weird, but from the camera, it says just do it. And then it also has the shorts that say just do it as well. So it's not Nike, it's just do it. All right, going to our last couple of items here. Okay, so this is a leather shovel moisturizing clean, what is this? Shovel skin machine. So this is vibration massage, ultrasonic cleansing, pore removing blackheads and acne machine. So my esthetician has something similar to this, and I'm like, okay, well, when I am at the house, I like to have my own in case, you know, I can't afford to go and have somebody pamper me. I do like to make sure I'm able to pamper and keep up the same routine, so when I go back and see her, she isn't yelling at me about my skin. So here's that machine, and it does look pretty similar to what she has, so we are gonna see. Let me pull this off of here. Oh, and it works already. Oh my goodness. Okay, come through. And then you put one of these on top of there. There you go. So yes, I'm going to research this a little bit more before I use it on my face, but it looks pretty high quality. It feels high quality. It does not feel like one of those rinky-dink machines whatsoever. So I'm kind of super psyched about that one as well. Y'all know I'm all about my skincares, okay? So anything with some skincare in it, Miss Mama's is like, I need it like yesterday. Needed it yesterday. There's instructions in there, so we'll use that. All right, then we got just a few more items, y'all. And this should be like the fruit washer. So when you're washing your fruit, you can put it in there, and then everything just kind of like the water just slides out of there, and then boom, you can clean your fruit and put it in a bowl. So we're putting that over there with our kitchen stuff. All right, and then I ordered one of these little fans because, as y'all know, your girl gets hot real extra quick. But my esthetician has one of these too, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love that so much that it's super cute. Look, and it already has power. But I get hot and I'll be at church in the choir stand sweating my little soul out, and it has 3 different settings. So get into this fan. I think every woman should have one, especially if you go out in the summertime. Keep yourself cool, keep your makeup intact. Yes, yes, yes. Like, get you one of these, okay? We're gonna put that one over to the side as well. Go ahead and throw that away. All right, and then no indent. Oh, and then these are the toilet bowl cleaners. Very similar to another brand that I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of before. And I was like, oh, this would be nice to have. So what you do is you take this, you'll take this top off, you'll push this in here, you'll push it down, and then it like makes a sticker inside your thing. I kind of want to smell what it smells like without being too weird. So I don't want to be like super weird about it, but oh, that smells fresh. Oh my gosh, that smells really, really fresh. Okay, so that's the one that I got, and then you just, like I said, you just push it down in there and boom, you're good to go. So we'll keep that one. I don't know where we'll put that. That's somewhere like household or whatever. All right, so our last 2 items are my extra goodies that I got. Thank you so much, Temu, for my extra goodies. And this is a professional nail drill. Y'all, we gotta open this up. Y'all know how I feel. And where are my scissors? Where are my scissors? Where did I put them? Oh, I put them over here. All right, so let's look. Wow, this looks very similar to the one I wanted to purchase before. Okay, So I am super excited to try this. It has the clip on the back and it's portable, so I can take it any and everywhere. Not that I couldn't take my other one anywhere, but I definitely didn't. I mean, this one just seems like way cooler. So you can set it, and then if you had everything plugged, oh my gosh, look at that. This feels high quality too. Like, it feels really good. Like, it doesn't feel like it's gonna break on me or anything. Like, I'm kind of excited about that. So this is the electric part, and then this is the drill part. And I don't know where this goes. I'm guessing it goes right here or something like that. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at the instructions. But it also comes with some nail bits that you can start using. And then, of course, your sanding bits that you'll need if you're doing any sort of nail stuff. That is so cool. Oh. And then underneath there is a buffing file. And then a nail clipper. This is what you use to cut down those false nails. And then here is the cord. That's what I was looking for when I pulled it up. I'm like, where is the cord for this so that I can be able to put them into each other? So it's the 1 and then the 2. You plug that up. Now turn it on. And it's, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I have it on a really low setting. Oh my gosh, can y'all hear that? I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use this. This is gonna be a perfect addition to my nail life. So I'm gonna take all of these out because I am not a big stickler for keeping a lot of boxes and stuff because it just crowds up everything and keeps it bulky. So not doing that. Let's go. This is our very last item. We have cleared this box out, y'all. We have cleared the orange box. And ta-da! We have a professional gel polish LED lamp. And let me tell y'all, these come in handy so much for when you're doing your gel nails. And you just sit your nails underneath there. And this is USB, so no need to worry about not having a power block or something like, or like having power. Like, you'll always have power, right? Because you'll always have like your USB power block. That's all you need. Boom, look at that. And then you just sit your nails underneath there. Looks like it's a one-hander, so that's cool. And it does have the timer on here. So it has a 30-second, 60-second, and a 90-second timer. So that is really good. Let me see what the watts. This is, it doesn't say what the wattage is. It doesn't say what the wattage is, but some of them have different wattages. So, I don't know. I do not know what the wattage is. But anyways, we're going to see because we're going to use it at our desk, at our nail desk. So we'll go ahead and take that. Put the box away. All right, you guys, so this is all of our Temu stuff. Let me get it all together and then take a quick little pic.
You're special and you're reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she's my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you're doing.